This weekend I myself was on the round of the city, and I have seen the level of cleanliness in the city was not good. And I called for attendance. All the supervisors submitted that attendance record, and as per that record, all the laborers were available for the job. If all the laborers were available for the job, then city should not look so dirty. And that's why I have taken this decision that there will be deduction in their salary for 2 days. As per government guidelines, all the bulk waste generators are required to process their waste. The disposal of waste has to be in situ on the site, and that's why that waste disposal plant has come very next to the municipal market. As some of the corporators said, probably in the last 1 week there has been some change, and the traders are facing problems. So I have instructed my team to go there and just to find out what has happened in the last 1 week.
पणजे हॉटेल अँड ट्रेडर्स संघटनेक खंय ट्रेड लायसनां रिन्यू करूंक नवे प्रक्रियेच्यो कटकटी जातात. कांय विशयाचेर सध्या तांकां महापालिकेन नव्या अटींनी 3 म्हयने सूट दिल्या.
We appreciate food and drugs. They have got 5 years, 10 years plan for the advance licenses, shop and establishment also. Why not CCP? CCP is charging us board tax, trade license, garbage tax, and every other increasing. And what is the service given by the CCP? Nothing. Yet they put different conditions. So let them have business-friendly licensing policy. And today we have been assured by the mayor and the commissioner that he will see that some relaxation is being done.
Even आता कमिशनरांनी सांगला की आमचे फायर NOC एका 3 months एक टाइम हे करून रिन्यू केल्ले आसा.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.